Flyers are everywhere, from businesses advertising their services to restaurants promoting a new menu to birthday parties and events. But what if I told you you don't need a Photoshop or years of design experience, even pay money to create a professional flyer for whatever business you do or event you are promoting? And in this video, we are going to do a full graphic design masterclass, how to design any type of professional flyer that grabs attention using free AI tool called Nanobanana. You don't want to miss it. Let's dive into the video. So the first one is business or corporate flyer. So in this video, we are going to learn how to design any type professional flyer for your business or even do them for clients and charge them. So let's go. So the tool we are going to use today is Nanobanana. You can get the app itself on Play Store or App Store, as well as you can go to Google, Gemini, you can get it from there, or you go straight to Google and type Nanobanana. It's going to open it for you. So today we are using googlegemini.com or googleaistudio.com. So as you can see, I've already done some kind of designs here. All right. Also, when it comes to design, don't be shy to learn or to get inspiration from many sources. It can be an inspiration from someone's design. You can also go to Pinterest. You can get some images from there and you work it out. If you want the same, or you can change few things, because the Bible says in Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 9, there is nothing new under the sun. Everything that we are seeing today already was there, and so there is nothing new under the sun. So it means you can get inspiration from someone's design and bring it into your own design, change few colors and things, and then use that to design your own professional flyer as well. So in this corporate or business flyer, we are going to give it this prompt. But don't forget, we are going to try different types of prompts so you will know how to create a professional flyer for business or for your clients and even make money out of that. So we are on the homepage of Nanobanana, and I've already written down some prompts we are going to be using. And also I'm going to show you how to get professional prompts for any type of flyer you want to design. All right, so let's go into this, and then I'm going to paste my prompt here. It's a very long prompt, and I want to create a clean, professional business flyer. Create modern look. Include the company slogan, your growth, our mission. All right. And okay, so when you are done, we're going to give it a try. Let's click on the create and see the best results Nanobanana is going to give it to us. So let's wait a few seconds and see. Okay, just look at this design. It's so incredible, right? Okay, so as you can see, this is perfect, right? It has done everything we said it should. So it has even given me a logo design, which is consult. So NBY consult, your growth, our mission, and the services we provide, business registration. And I just want to point something to you. It made no spelling mistake. Everything is perfect, beautiful, just as it should be. And you can see www.nbyconsult.com landing UK and the telephone number. This is what we call corporate or business flyeration, all right? So if you want to get more of the things you want to get from an inspiration is to visit Pinterest, all right? So for example, when you visit Pinterest and you type either business flyer, okay? It's going to give you so many of them, so many of them, just as you can see. For example, you've seen these 3 lines and you download. Okay, so when you download, you open ChatGPT and then you put in that flyer. You just bring that flyer inside. So let's ask ChatGPT, give us detailed. ChatGPT is going to give you a similar prompt you can use. So I've changed the colors into blue and white, right? So as you can see, ChatGPT has given us a stunning graphic prompt, okay? So you can just copy them and then you use your own text, all right? And then maybe you bring it into your notepad or something you type in, and make sure you edit them or copy them. Okay. So I just copied everything. You bring it into Nanobanana. So after you have edited everything, you bring it into Nanobanana and you generate. So let's generate and see what comes out. Wow, this is just out of this world. You see, it has done the same thing. Let's check the image we downloaded from Pinterest. Okay, so this is the image we downloaded from Pinterest. And let's see what Nanobanana has done for us. And check this. This is what Nanobanana has also designed for us. Those blue and white colors. And the old one was red and white, okay? But I chose blue and white colors, and it has beautifully designed this corporate or business flyer beautifully. And that is the power of Nanobanana, okay? You can also do that for whatever business you are doing. You can use Nanobanana AI to design beautiful flyers for businesses or corporate business for your clients. So if somebody asks you, are you a designer? Don't tell them, no, you don't know how to design. No, but today, as you're watching this video, you'll be able to create beautiful things for that business or company. Don't forget, I told you there should be a focus and some key elements. So the key elements should be the name, the color they want, and the details, okay? Okay, so let's go to the second type of flyer we want to design. That is restaurant or food flyer. When it comes to food flyer, it's so beautiful. It should immediately grab attention. You should pick bright colors. Please listen well. You should pick bright colors. The focus should be clean, professional, easy to grab attention, appealing, and the key element should be a logo, the brand name, if they have a tagline, and the colors they want you to use. And don't forget the call to action. How can people reach them? These are the essential things you need to know when it comes to food flyer or restaurant flyer. So we're going to try this prompt I have generated. And don't forget, I'm going to paste everything in the first comment so you can check this out. So let's go to this prompt. Okay, and it's quite a bit long. Design a professional restaurant food flyer for a brand called Gifty's Cuisine. Okay, the theme colors should be deep red and orange. Don't forget, I said if you're designing something for food, it should easily grab attention. Bright colors, and red is very beautiful. Okay, so you should be deep red and orange gradient with a warm, appetizing glow. Include a text header. Gifty's Cuisine in large, elegant, bold font, white or yellow, light yellow. Below it, add a small yellow box titled Our Services and list the following items in the bullet point, okay? Banku and tilapia, those of us in Africa, that's our favorite. Banku with tilapia, fried rice with chicken, jollof rice, wache, plantain with stew. Add images of Ghanaian and restaurant dishes like jollof rice, wache, fried rice with chicken, tilapia, and plantain stew. On the right side, place an African female chef wearing, you see, so I've given it a detailed prompt. And don't forget, after this one, we are going to get our inspiration again from Pinterest. So let's design this one and wait for it. Oh my goodness, look at the beautiful flare. What? This is incredible. This is just out of this world. You can see everything I gave, it has beautifully designed it. Just look at this design. So if you tell me that if somebody contacts you, hey, can you do this design for us? And you tell the person, oh, I am not a graphic designer. You see the kind of money you are missing out, okay? I have been doing this and I charge people to design something like that for them using AI. You don't have to stress yourself so much now that there are easy tools to design anything you want. And that is why this masterclass is there for you, teaching you so many skills that can make you money anytime, anywhere, every time. All right? So let me download it and see the outcome. And this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Gifty's Cuisine, okay, our service is Banco and Tilapia. I just want you to take note of some things. It makes no spelling mistakes, okay? All the texts are perfect. Banco and Tilapia, or Banco with Tilapia, fried rice with chicken, jollof rice, wache, plantain with stew. Everything is just perfect, all right? You can see the type of foods. It has beautifully designed. You can see everything is so perfect. Everything is so perfect. So then tell yourself that, oh, I am not a designer. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I can't do that. No, you are going to miss money, okay? So tell yourself you are a designer. And if you want to design this one, if you hire somebody to design this one for you, the person is going to charge you. Also, if you are going to use a professional tool like Photoshop and others, it's going to take you at least 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes. But with the AI, just a few seconds, it's done, complete and beautiful. So you can see the power of AI. Now let's go to Pinterest to get inspiration from Pinterest, okay? And change few things. Imagine you are creating it for your own restaurant, okay? How are you going to do that? So let's go to Pinterest. So on Pinterest, you just have to search for restaurant flyer. So restaurant flyer. Okay. Oh, sorry. You just have to search for restaurant flyer or food flyer, and you are going to get plenty of them. So let's use this one precisely, and let's see if Nanobanana can this one or any AI tool you have on your phone. Give me a detailed prompt to generate this design. So you copy a prompt and then you bring it to Nanobanana, okay? And don't forget, I told you that you just have to edit it. You can go to your note, wherever your note is, and you edit it. You bring it to Nanobanana and you paste it. So now let's click and see or wait for the outcome. This is out of this world, okay? Nanobanana is such a powerful tool. That is why we are doing this graphic design masterclass using Nanobanana. And if today is your first time watching this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's going to help this channel grow. As you can see, it has beautifully designed everything. Everything is just amazing, out of this world, okay? Look at the design. So look at it, it's so beautiful. And it's so beautiful. Okay, I still copied that name. I should have written my name there. I copied the wrong one, and it has done it incredibly beautiful. Okay, so Nanobanana is such a powerful tool. We get inspiration from so many places. Make sure you learn different things, you bring different things in your designs, and it's going to help you so much. So the third flyer we are going to design today is birthday flyers. And I'm sure you can see a lot of birthday flyers all over the internet, okay? The social media, everywhere you go, you are at least going to see sort of a birthday flyer. And they are quite expensive to design. If you are going to design, you're going to ask somebody to design it for you, they're going to charge you, okay? But today we are going to use Nanobanana free AI tool to design a beautiful birthday flyer for your clients, okay? So don't forget that. So now the focus of any birthday flyer should be fun, colorful, and personalized. Okay. So when I say personalized, it should have some details. Okay. And the key element should be a picture of the celebrants, the person celebrating the birthday, theme colors, party details, date, time, and venue. So for example, if the person is going to have a birthday celebration, at least they should have kind of a flyer, a beautiful birthday flyer. Okay, so we are going to give it this prompt, and then we will also get inspiration from Pinterest. So let's go. Okay, so we are going to give it this prompt. Design a birthday flyer for a woman. Right? So let's click on the generate button, the outcome. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful design. In fact, if you're not learning how to use the Nanobanana, I am telling you today, you are missing out on so many opportunities, okay? You can design this one beautifully and charge somebody. if somebody brings their way, I think, let me tell you this, I think you should set up a business, corporate business, telling yourself or calling yourself a graphic designer, okay? Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 9, we get inspiration from somewhere. There is nothing new under the sun, okay? So we are going to Pinterest. So you go on Pinterest and you search for birthday flyers, okay? And rate it. And you can even give it a simple prompt like this. So able to design it perfectly, just like the other one, because I combined the two images and I gave it to them. This, we wanted something like this, and I attached this woman's image. And my goodness, let me give, let's do the comparison. So you can see, so it brought this woman, but it has beautifully done it. So if somebody asks you to design a birthday flyer, my goodness, just go to Nanobanana, all right? Give it the details, and you can go to Pinterest for inspiration, okay? This one is absolutely crushing it. It's just out of this world, so beautiful. So learn to use Nanobanana. So now we can design any type of birthday flyers, okay? And it's going to help us a lot. So the fourth flyer we want to generate today is church flyers, okay? So imagine you're having a church program and your pastor wants you to just design something for them. You just have to come and then, so I'm giving this prompt, okay? So design a church flyer or church event flyer for a program titled Divine Encounter 2025. Theme colors. And don't forget, I've been telling you that everything should have a focus and you should have some key elements, okay? When it comes to church flyer, the focus should be inspirational, spiritual, and warm, okay? You don't want to mess it around. And the key elements should be church logo, theme scripture, pastor's picture, date, time, and venue. These are very important when it comes to designing any type of flyer. Already, if you have a picture, you can add the picture to it, okay? When you click on this plus, you click on upload file and then you add the picture. Or you can go to Pinterest, look for any church flyer you've seen, bring it to ChatGPT. It will give you the prompt. You copy and add the picture of the pastor or the program events, anything you want to do. Okay, this is beautiful, right? So just as you can see, if I had any male image, I would have added it to the prompt and it's still going to give you. So it's the same process you can use to design any type of flyer for your church program. So just like I said, you can come to Pinterest and you search for church flyer. And you are going to see different types of church flyers, okay? Different types of them. So the ones you think looks beautiful to you, the design you think you like, you just have to click on it and you download. And so when you download, you take it to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt to design a similar image or design. And then you can edit the prompt, okay? You add your own pastor's image, you add the date of your program, your church details, everything. And the Nanobanana is going to design everything perfectly for you, okay? And it's gonna. So our fifth flyer design is going to be party or club event flyer design, that promotion, okay? Every event, just as I told you, that every event should have some kind of a promotion, okay? So it can be a flyer, it can be anything. And that's what we are going to do next. So you come to Nanobanana and you give it this prompt, okay? Design a night party flyer titled All White Party. Colors should be white, gold, and silver with sparkling effect. Background. So I've given a detailed prompt, okay? So let's generate and see the outcome. Okay, so this is incredible, okay? It has beautifully designed the prompt I gave it, All White Party. So it has brought three models and they are dressed in white. So if you are designing a flyer for any event, you should get some details. At least I've showed you the secret. Get inspiration from Pinterest, okay? Okay, so the next type of flyer we're going to design is beauty or fashion flyer. And that is exactly what you are going to do. So if you have any beauty business you do or anything, is just an example, all right? If you are having a fashion designing company and you need flyers, don't go and hire somebody. All these things we are learning are on your mobiles, okay? You can just do it at the tip of your fingers. And it's so simple. So let's give it this prompt. And don't forget, the focus should be clean, colorful, and beautiful, right? So let's give it this prompt and let's see how Nanobanana is going to execute it. Okay, so that is amazing, okay? It has beautifully designed something, just beautiful. Very beautiful. I've designed two of them. Let me show you the other one. Okay, so you know this woman, right? This fashion one. So this is the woman. As you can see, this is the woman. And now this is the flyer. And it's so beautiful, right? So these are examples, some of the things you can do. You get inspiration from somewhere and you bring it in. And also this one as well. So Glow Empire Beauty Studio. You see, all these things are so beautiful, right? And you can use Nanobanana to design any type of flyer you want. Don't forget our secret. You go to Pinterest and search for, say, maybe fashion flyer or whatever. And for example, you give it this one, you go to ChatGPT, you extract the prompt, you bring it into Nanobanana, then you post your own details, okay? Your own details. Don't forget a secret I showed you. You edit it, you put in your own details, contact, blah, blah, blah. You don't use what you've seen on Pinterest. You change it into your own. The colors you want, you just have to change the colors as well as a lot of things you want to. Okay, so the next one we are going to design is real estate flyers. I'm working for companies who need graphic design. Okay, so if a business real estate contacts you to design something for them, you just have to go for it. Use Nanobanana. I've shown you the secret. You go to Pinterest, you type anything like real estate flyer, and it's going to give you a bunch of them. So let's use this prompt on Nanobanana. All right. Okay, so design a real estate property flyer for Prime House or Prime Homes Reality. And then the theme should be navy blue, white, and gold. Include a high quality image of a luxury modern house. Headline should be your dream home awaits you. The body text should be bedroom, 4-bedroom, luxury, duplex, blah, 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 and all these details, all right? So let's click on the create and see the outcome. Banana. You see, this is incredible. You see, Nanobanana is so powerful. The dream, your dream home awaits you. I've actually designed two. I'm going to show you the next one. This is so beautiful, right? You see, so when you zoom in, nothing looks like a mistake. Everything is perfect, okay? Everything is perfect. Everything is just perfect. Nanobanana is incredible. That's why I just want you to try your hands on it. So this is a real, okay, so this is the next one. You can see the details. My goodness. You see, modern home for sale. Want a modern home in Dubai? Features 3 modern. You know, these things are so beautiful. And you can't actually tell if it was designed with AI or real. You see, it looks so professional. And you can use this to work or design for any project, any company, any business. And I tell you, they wouldn't know if you did it with AI or somebody actually did it in real person. So I'm going to tell you to try your hands on Nanobanana, okay? And this is the last flyer we are going to design, and it's so beautiful. Check this out. Designed this with Nanobanana, and what shows it was designed by AI? Nothing shows. So we in this section, don't forget I told you that you can get inspiration from so many places, okay, especially Pinterest, where we've been going up and down. So let's try this prompt and see the outcome of this educational flyer. That is the last one we are going to work on. Educational flyer, sort of like you are training people on something. Okay, you should have a flyer, a design, and that is going to promote what you are selling to the people. All right, so let's go to Nanobanana and give it this prompt and create a training workshop flyer for digital skills masterclass. Theme should be blue and white with gradient tech patterns. Add photos of laptops, people learning, and digital arounds or digital icons around. So the headline should be Learn AI, Design and Video Editing in 30 Days. Take note. The date should be 5th to 30th November 2025. Location online via Zoom. Fee free, limited slots. Okay. Add a register now button design. Include website and WhatsApp number. The style should be modern, techy, educational. These are detailed prompts. Okay. So let's click on the create and see. And this is incredible. Just look at these designs. Okay, so this is the one I first designed, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, so all you have to do, if you want any inspiration, just go to Pinterest. Okay, so when you go to Pinterest, you can type in training flyer. Okay, or educational flyer. So for like maybe like this one, and then you make sure you download, just as I showed you the secret. You take it to ChatGPT, and it's going to give you the detailed prompt. You can remove, edit your own, and add your own details to it, and use it to design anything you want. And that's it for today's masterclass. If you enjoyed this video, please, or learned something new, please make sure you subscribe to NBY Master, and let's keep learning. AI is such a powerful tool. And just as I said, Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 9, there is nothing new under the sun. Learn from someone, get inspirations from somewhere, add your own twist to it, and make it your own. If you want to learn many things you didn't know before, and I tell you, this channel is all about revealing secrets, giving you detailed skills, secrets that can make you get a lot of money. Make sure you subscribe to NBY Masterclass, and let's grow. Until then, please take good care of yourself. Keep being awesome, and see you in our next video. God bless you.